Hello everyone, Engineer Eric Patrick here. Today we are going to model and analyze a truss structure. This is a truss structure. So here we have settings we have to input in the software. And the software we are going to use is ANSYS APDL. ANSYS APDL. So let's get started. First, we need to go to preferences and structural. So, okay, we go to processor, element type, add, add, link, and we choose the first one. So, okay, and then we can close. So after that, we go to material props. So material models, structural, linear, elastic, and isotropic. So here we have to input the Young modulus, that is EX, and um, the PRXY, that is the Poisson ratio. So let's input it. So here we have 1.6 E5, and for the Poisson ratio we put 0.2. 1.6 E5 and 0.2. Okay, so we can close linear. We go to density. So with density here we have 5000 E minus 12. So 5000 E minus 12. So okay, and then we can close. Then we can close material props. So we go to sections, link, and then add. We can put input any number for the ID. Just let's input 1 and then okay, and then the section name we can put a rectangle. You can have um, a round section, a rectangle, any kind of section. So we can actually now we have a rectangle as a section. So the area is, let's see, the area is 10 millimeter square. So we input 10 here, 10, then okay. So we can close sections. So we go to modeling, create key points, and inactive CS. So no need to input any key points number because ANSYS will automatically put the numbers for us. So we just need to put the X, Y, and Z location. So the beginning will be 0, 0, and 0. So apply. Next, let's see. We have all bars are 100 millimeters, so we have 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and 100. So here we will take 100 as the uh, height. So from A to C here we have 100 here, and from A to B we have 200. So now the second point, the D point is at 100 divided by 2, so 50 here, 50 here on X direction, and here we have 50 here on Y direction. So let's do it. So the second we have 50 and 50, and we click apply. And after that, let's see, after that we have for C is at 100 and 100, 100 and 100, x and y. So 100 and 100. So apply. Next, we have f. F is only at 100 on x direction, and y will be 0. So we have x 100 and y 0. So apply. Then we have e. E is at 100 plus 100 divided by 2. So 150 here. 150, and then on y we have 50. So 150 and 50. So apply. And then next we have a b. The b is at 200, and then y is 0. So here we have 200 and then 0, 0. Then we can put OK. So now we have all our key points. Then we can create lines. So we hit lines. We come to straight line. So we come to the interface. So from here to here, 1, here to here, 2, here, 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 here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, and we are done. So we can hit OK. So we are done with our lines. So we can close the line sections and also close the create section as well as the modeling section. So now we can do our meshing. So we hit meshing and meshing tool. So here we just have lines here, lines. So we hit set, lines set. So we move this one up and then pick all. So nothing, we don't need to put anything here. Here we can put 1. So because we have the truss, so only we will do the division, just one division, and that's okay, like this. So we click mesh tool again and then mesh. Then we bring this one up, we pick all, and that's okay. Now our structure is meshed. So we can close processor. We go to solution and define loads. We come to apply here, apply, and structural, displacement, and on key points. So what are the displacements? Here we want to set our reactions, the displacement. So here we want to specify that the support, yeah, we call them supports. So here we put the first key point, then okay, and let's see. So here we have on x direction and on y direction. So we have x and y, so we can hit apply. Okay, that's okay. Then on key points again, and then the end. and okay. So here we have just on y direction, so we can uh, take just y direction, and then okay. So that's it. So now we are done with displacement. We can now apply our load. So to apply loads on the structure, we just go to force moment, and then on key point. So we choose where the load is located. So in our case, our load is located here on top. So let's just check here on top, we see, and then it's from up to down. Let you see the arrow is down downside. So we just take this one, the top one, and then okay, and it's on fy direction, because it's here y direction, y axis, so fy, and then minus 10, minus because the direction of our load is downward, is going downward, so we have minus 10, and then we hit apply or okay. Let's put okay. Then we have our load applied here, right here, and that's okay. Now we are done with all the settings. Let's see. Yeah, we did this one, we did the second one, and we specified already our materials properties, so that's okay. We are good to go to do our analysis, and we can close apply everything. We can close also define loads, so we can go to solve, and then current ls, so we put okay and we wait. So now the solution is done, so we can close everything, and then we can see how the structure will react to our loads, and we can observe displacement. So to see the results, we just go to general post prop, and then we come to plot results here, and then deform shape, and then we choose diff plus undeformed, this one, and then apply. So and okay, so here we can observe that the displacement of the structure, and you see this is the initial position of our structure, and after applying the loads, we can see the displacements downward, like this, shape, like this shape. And if we want to see the real shape of the structure, we can just we can just come to plot controls, and we come to style here, so plot controls, style, and size and shape. So we put display of element, we can, it actually is off, so now we can put on, and then apply or okay. Then this is the real shape of our truss, the real shape. So we have a real shape, and then we can turn. To turn the structure, you can use control and the right click together, control and right click together, and then you can turn your structure. Control and right click together, and then you can turn your structure to see. So now that's it. And you can also use isometric view, oblique view, and front view. So actually we will just stay in front view, and that's it. So that's how we can create a truss structure, apply loads, apply materials, do the meshing, and that's it. So up to you now to have a try and see if you can do it. So thank you for your attention and see you for the next tutorial.